G'day everybody, welcome to this week's Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Craig Cobb and I'm going to show you a couple of markets I'm looking at. It's the 4th of August, by the way. Start of a new month, and one thing hasn't changed. The Canadian dollar is still very, very strong. So I'm going to keep a close eye on it throughout the week as it just keeps on powering. A lovely pullback into the buy zone here. Rejection of a round number. Beautiful bullish candle, breaking up superbly well. And if we just move to the higher time frames too, have a look here at the weekly. It is a bit extended, but it's held above 1.3 really impressively. And it's really showing no signs of weakness at this stage. The monthly, again, a very strong monthly candle last month, and see this pullback here a few months back. Well, it's playing out just as we would expect, as it has back here and as it has many times in the past. I'm going down the time frames, looking for opportunities. Say on this 4 hour, something pulling back to, around these old highs. Through here, someone would be ideal. It would be a nice little breather, a nice little pullback there on the daily too, and possibly offer me some opportunities to join it to the long side. Other than that, any lower time frames, not really. The only thing that I may consider, excuse me, is if I was to see a bit of a precise flat level start to form. And look, at the moment we just don't have it. It's kind of like a what if it happened. Well, if it did happen and if it was perfect, then I may trade it, but it's not there yet. I'm looking for things called expansions, I'm looking for clusters, I'm looking for PLTs. If you don't know what they are, wait around and I'll tell you how you can find out more about them later. The next one is CAD yen, and all three of the pairs I'm looking at this week are CAD based. Often that happens. A lot of the markets are a bit sideways at the moment. A lot of the other markets just not showing clear direction. The Canadian market is, as is crude oil. If you have a look at crude oil, it's starting to trend very nicely once again now too, pushing to new lows. CAD yen though, lovely downtrend, lower high, lower low. We've broken these lows, which incidentally was also a level of support. Look through here, support. Breakdown 94.50 is that support level going down the time frames. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. 94.50, let's draw it in where that support is. Around here. Okay, so you can see there's a strong level. Alright, strong flat level right there. Now, how am I going to play this? Well, it just depends. I mean, I'd like to see it, I'd like to see it move lower first, and then give me, a pullback. But right now, you can see, it's starting to consolidate. Again, no flat level forming just yet. But if there was to be a perfect flat level through there with good indicators for an expansion trade, I would be all over it. Not there yet. As I say, that would be the only short-term trade. I would like to see it, however, move lower, so push on further down on the daily here, so maybe break down through 94 and then pull back up in and give me a nice little PLT type trades in that sell zone on pretty much any time frame. I'm not too fussy. Sterling CAD, again, another great trend. Sterling CAD, look at that. I mean, if you're looking at optimal chart structure, if you want to know what it is, well, there is your example right there. A beautiful trend there, coming down to the 240 on base, or 240 or 8 hour, so 4 hour or 8 hour. I'd love to see it pull back. I mean, essentially, I'd love to see it pull back to here, back into this 2.04 level, a round number, old highs, a little PLT there would be exactly what I'm after, a small bullish candle in that zone. On this day, on this 15-minute chart, let me just blow it up a little bit and bring it down. You can see here, look, we're starting to get a little sniff of a potential flat level. Test 1, test 2, higher lows coming up into there. Look, I like the indicators on this as well. I am keeping a very close eye. A third test there, indicators pushing up, may actually give me an opportunity to trade long there. So I'm just holding out to see how that unfolds. So what I want to show you now is the webinars for this week. We have how to trade Forex with precision. Now, Forex is a market that many people trade. It is probably our most popular traded market in the world at the moment. It's very volatile. It trades in trends very, very well. It works well to technical support and resistance levels, and it fits our strategies extraordinarily well. Of course, we looked at 3 foreign exchange pairs in great trends just today. We're going to go through and demystify foreign exchange. So if you're not too sure about foreign exchange, how it works and what it's all about, then you will learn about that there. It is a bit of a step-by-step basis for foreign exchange trading. We'll look at some of the risks to trading it. We'll also look at how we approach the market with our trading strategies for that. You can also see here it's the 4th, okay, which happens to be today. That is 8 p.m. in Auckland, 6 p.m. Sydney, 9 a.m. London, and 4 a.m. New York. Now you can register by clicking this button. Something else to consider: if you can't make the live event, if you can't watch it live, then I would suggest that you come down here and watch one of our recorded webinars. Yes, we have access to our past recorded webinars that you can view and watch at your leisure, so you can see the whole portfolio of our free content there. Get in there, check it all out. If you have any questions, let us know, and I hope to see you all on that webinar this evening. Happy trading this week, guys. Take care. Bye for now.